job. Pow, 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 pow.
If I hear you guys complain, I'll make this call by your kids. Please do not complain. If you need to talk, you come to me. Why? Did you all understand, parents? I hope you all heard me.
Look in. Stop! Got your gloves? Ready, Sands? Are you ready? Begin! Score? Call blue first. Ready? I call swords for you different because once you get hit with a blade, you're done. Ready? Begin!
Ball there, who won $500 earlier? Okay? Guys, give him a big hand. Keep going on. Enjoy it, okay? Have a good day. Next one, Mr. Timmerman, come on up. Mr. Timmerman also will give a check for $500. What are you going to do with this, Mr. Timmerman?
I'm going to go to Disney World, sir.
He's not going to go to Disney World. Congratulations. And the grand champion winner for weightlifting is Mr. Tyler Pickleman. Come on, Mr. Tyler. Winner this time is Miss Claire Stahl. Come on up. Hey, very good.
I broke it.
Hey, very good. Everybody did a very good job.